In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 2D pie charts in Excel. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple and practical way. So if you're new to Excel, you can follow along easily. A 2D pie chart is a useful way to show how different categories contribute to a whole. It works especially well when you want to present proportions clearly and visually. To begin, open your Excel workbook. This can be a brand new workbook or an existing file where you want to add the chart. The important thing is to make sure you're in the worksheet that contains the data you want to visualize. Next, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B6. Typically, one column contains the category names and the other column contains the corresponding values. Before creating any chart, it's always a good idea to quickly check that your labels and numbers are organized correctly because Excel uses this structure to build the chart automatically. Once your data is ready, select the data by highlighting the entire table. Be sure to include both the category labels and the values since both are needed for the pie chart to display correctly. Selecting the full range helps Excel understand exactly what should appear in the chart. After that, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and other objects. In the Charts group, click Insert Pie or Donut Chart. A menu will appear with several chart options. Under the 2D Pie section, click Pie. As soon as you do that, Excel will generate the chart for you. You should now see a 2D pie chart based on the data you selected. Each slice of the pie represents one category's share of the total sales, making it easy to compare portions at a glance. This kind of chart is especially helpful when you want to emphasize how the whole is divided among a small number of categories. Take a moment to view the results and make sure everything looks right. If the chart doesn't appear as expected, it usually means the selected data range needs to be checked. In most cases, simply confirming that the correct table was selected will solve the issue. And that's it. You've successfully created a 2D pie chart in Excel. Once you're comfortable with this process, you'll be able to turn simple data into a clear visual in just a few clicks.